Now I want to tell you one new concept, next chapter, that is permutations and combinations. To start the chapter permutations and combination, I would like to salute the mathematician who started and originated this concept, Jacob Bernoulli. This thought of thinking that how we can arrange and select the numbers. So this kind of concept is belonging to our topic permutation and combinations. But before we start, there is one very important aspect to understand, that is what is the meaning of factorial. If the term factorial I want to define, I want to explain you, there is a very simple logic about the factorial. Factorial is nothing, is the product of n consecutive natural numbers and starts with 1. Suppose I say 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, it is given by factorial 4. One of the symbol is factorial 4. So the product of first n natural numbers is given by the factorial. That is, this is the expanded form of multiplication of first 4 natural numbers, and this is its compact form, that is symbolical representation. Factorial 4 means product of first 4 natural numbers, or we can say it can be written as 4 factorial like this. So question is to understand the concept of permutation and combination given by Jacob Bernoulli, we have to understand what we call the product of first n natural numbers. Suppose if I say what is the answer of factorial 5. So obviously I have to start with 5, 4, 3, 2 and the least natural number is 1. So what is the answer of factorial 5? It is coming out to be 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 62 ja 120. So answer is coming 120. It's very simple that whatever factorial is written, what we need to do, we just need to multiply first n consecutive natural numbers. You just can understand what is the answer of factorial 4. Answer of factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So answer is coming out to be 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24. So again a logic very simple, but in case we should not go for any mistake that return factorial 5 minus factorial 4. It's not the ordinary subtraction that one is saying factorial is common, 5 minus 4 is 1. It's not. It's what? First we will go to calculate the value of factorial 5. What is this? 120. Then what? 24. So it means that it is coming out to be 96. So it means whenever we are solving the factorials, first we need to find the values of factorials. Another symbol, mostly it is written factorial like this or this. They have the same meaning, same logic, same answer. Similarly, if somebody says what is the answer of factorial 5 into factorial 4? Obviously not factorial 20. First of all, we will write 120, the value of factorial 5. Then we will write 24, that is the value of factorial 4. Their product, that is 0. Then 12 4 ja 48. Then 4, 12 2 ja 24. Then 24 plus 4, 28. So this 2880 is the answer of factorial 5 into factorial 4. We should never go for first multiplication then factorial. Whenever we are solving the problems related to factorial only, we just need to simplify first factorials, then mathematical operations. Similarly, if you want to find the value of factorial 5 plus factorial 4, this answer definitely not equal to factorial 9. Its answer is 120. Factorial 4's answer is 24. This is coming out to be 144. Similarly, if you want to divide factorial 5 upon factorial 4, it is what? The answer is 120 upon 24, answer is 5. So my first purpose before to give you a very much detail about permutation and combination, there is one concept related in the chapter is factorial and how to operate, which I told you factorial is the product of first n natural numbers. Whatever factorial you want to find, suppose you want to find factorial 10, it is the product of the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Factorial 9 is the product of first 1 to 9, and similarly and some other operations like subtraction, multiplication, addition and division. When we are doing mathematical operations are later, but this factorial needs to be operated previously. So this concept was given by Jacob Bernoulli, and it is somehow related to solve the problems with the factorial, and factorial is the product of first n natural numbers.